you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani delicacy Surnali. This can also be called as methi pancakes, and this is made in two different variations, sweet and sour. So we'll be seeing both the variation today. So to make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of idli rice or raw rice, half cup of urid dal, this is optional, 1 teaspoon of methi seed, half a cup of poha or flattened rice. If you are avoiding urid dal, then we have to add 1 cup of poha. Half a cup of grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed jaggery, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the urid dal, methi seed and raw rice for about 3 to 4 hours. Next, wash and soak the poha for about half an hour to 1 hour. Add all the soaked ingredients to a mixer along with turmeric powder and grind until your fine batter is ready. Once your batter is ready, transfer it to another bowl and allow the batter to ferment overnight. To prepare the sweet surnali, we'll be adding the jaggery to 2 ladlefuls of batter and grinding it once again. Allow this batter also to ferment overnight. Once the batter is fermented well, add salt as per taste and mix the batter well. To the sweet surnali batter, add a pinch of salt and mix that well as well. At this point, you can even add baking soda to make your surnali more porous. I have avoided adding it, it is completely optional. Heat a dosa tawa and pour 2 ladlefuls of batter. Once the pores start forming, cover with a lid and cook in low flame until it's done. Now your surnali is ready. You can prepare the sweet surnali also in the similar manner. This is usually topped with some butter and had. You can also have it with any side dish of your choice. So do try this breakfast recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.